Want to know how Magento PWA Studio can empower your e-commerce site? Today, we look into PWA development with Magento PWA Studio, bringing modern web technologies to your fingertips. Let's dive in. Magento PWA Studio, developed by Adobe, is a set of tools aimed at developers. It helps create, deploy, and maintain a progressive web application, or PWA, for Magento platforms version 2.3 and above. This suite offers a cost-effective way for merchants to launch their PWAs. It leads to an increase in user reach and sales. Let's start with its advantages. The Studio is fully compatible with Magento 2.3 and higher versions. This ensures a smooth operation without code conflicts. Developers save time thanks to a pre-configured application builder. It also offers flexibility and a range of ready-made elements for customization. The modular architecture of PWA Studio follows Magento's coding standards. This simplifies the development process. Plus, it avoids issues that arise from using extensive code. Now, on to the setup. It's designed for ease with clear steps for developers. This includes specifying the Magento URL, cloning a repository, and executing commands. Maintenance is streamlined as well, thanks to synchronized release cycles with Magento. However, there are challenges. One issue is the extensive code, which might slow down page loading times. Another challenge is the complexity of the provided code. It may introduce unwanted complications or bugs. Tailoring solutions to specific store needs could also add to the complexity. Additionally, limited features and compatibility issues with third-party extensions could hinder development. Moving on to PWA requirements. These include service workers for catching and push notifications, a web app manifest for app information, plus an app shell architecture for initial loading screens. Ensuring security is crucial, hence the need for TLS protocol. Lastly, an efficient API for backend communication is necessary. Comparing traditional websites and PWA, the latter offers faster loading times thanks to offline content storage. PWAs enhance user engagement with features like push notifications. Additionally, they require knowledge of React and PWA principles for development. This results in a more immersive user experience. For optimizing performance, focus on splitting your code and employing lazy loading. Minimizing files and optimizing images are also key strategies. Remember backend optimizations such as server caching and data fetching using GraphQL. Dealing with technical and business challenges requires a strategic approach. Gaining expertise in Magento and React is essential. Consider starting with core functionalities and gradually adding more features. Opting for a headless approach can offer more flexibility. Magento PWA Studio is a powerful tool for building PWAs on the Magento platform. It brings numerous advantages, but also presents some challenges. Optimizing performance and navigating these challenges effectively can lead to successful PWA adoption. Thank you for exploring the capabilities of Magento PWA Studio with us. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more Magento news.